Production begins with premium-grade steel, aluminum, and engineered plastics. Every material is carefully inspected before entering.
CNC laser cutters shape each frame tube with millimeter precision. Accuracy at this stage ensures perfect frame geometry. Industrial robots weld the motorcycle frame with exceptional consistency. Every weld is monitored for structural strength. Each welded joint is finished and carefully inspected. Only flawless frames continue down the production line.
Protective surface treatment prevents corrosion for years. The cleaned frame is now ready for painting. Electrostatic powder coating creates a durable, protective finish. The coating is baked for maximum strength.
The aluminum engine block is machined with micron-level precision. Perfect tolerances ensure long engine life.
Experienced technicians assemble every engine by precise specifications. Critical fasteners are tightened using digital torque tools. The heart of the patrol motorcycle joins its reinforced frame. Precision alignment guarantees smooth performance.
Heavy-duty suspension is installed for stability and control. The motorcycle is now ready for wheels and braking systems. The lightweight alloy wheel is installed with precision alignment. Digital torque tools ensure maximum riding safety. The rear wheel transfers engine power to the road. Proper chain alignment improves durability and performance. Advanced ABS braking improves emergency stopping performance. Every brake circuit is vacuum tested before operation.
The fuel system is securely connected to the engine. Leak-free installation is carefully verified.
The wiring harness connects every electronic component. Waterproof connectors improve long-term reliability. The digital dashboard provides critical riding information. Electronic systems communicate through high-speed networks. The rider controls are installed with ergonomic precision. Every switch is individually tested. Emergency lighting transforms the motorcycle into a patrol vehicle. Every warning system is electronically synchronized. Specialized patrol equipment prepares the motorcycle for police duty. Heavy-duty accessories are securely fastened. The final bodywork gives the patrol motorcycle its distinctive appearance. Next, every system will undergo comprehensive quality testing. The electronic control unit is programmed with factory software. Every sensor is calibrated before the first engine start. Every electrical circuit is tested under factory conditions. Emergency equipment must operate flawlessly. The engine comes to life for the very first time. Factory technicians monitor every operating parameter. The dynamometer measures engine output with precision. Performance must meet strict factory specifications. ABS braking is tested under controlled factory conditions. Stopping performance is verified for maximum safety.
Suspension components are calibrated for stability and comfort. Precision testing guarantees predictable handling.
The motorcycle is tested in simulated heavy rain. Electrical systems remain fully protected.
Every surface is inspected for flawless factory quality. Even the smallest defect is corrected.
Road simulators reproduce thousands of real-world riding conditions. The motorcycle is tested before leaving the factory. After passing every inspection, the patrol motorcycle earns final factory approval. Next, it moves to packaging and worldwide distribution.
Every patrol motorcycle receives a final showroom quality finish. Even the smallest dust particles are removed.
Every emergency system is tested one final time. The motorcycle is verified for active patrol service.
Every motorcycle receives a unique factory identity. The VIN ensures complete production traceability.
Protective packaging keeps every surface in perfect condition. The motorcycle is secured for transportation. Heavy-duty transport crates protect the motorcycles during shipping. Each bike is securely fastened before transport. Finished patrol motorcycles await shipment in the logistics center. Inventory systems track every unit.
Every shipment is carefully documented and tracked. Accurate logistics ensure timely delivery.
The finished motorcycles begin their journey to customers. Careful loading prevents transport damage. After passing every inspection, the motorcycles leave the factory. They are now ready to serve police departments worldwide. From raw materials to a fully equipped patrol motorcycle, every step demands precision. The journey continues with final commissioning and real-world service. Each patrol motorcycle is inspected again upon delivery. The final receiving inspection confirms transport integrity. Essential fluids and battery systems receive a final verification. The motorcycle is nearly ready for service. Communication equipment is programmed for secure police operations. Reliable connectivity is essential during patrol missions. Emergency warning equipment is calibrated for maximum visibility. Every light pattern meets operational standards. The final patrol equipment prepares the motorcycle for daily duty. Every accessory is securely mounted. Controls are adjusted for comfort and safe operation. Proper ergonomics reduce rider fatigue. The motorcycle undergoes its first controlled operational ride. Every control is checked under real conditions.
Emergency handling is verified under controlled conditions. The patrol motorcycle demonstrates stability and agility.
The manufacturing journey is complete. These high-tech patrol motorcycles are ready to protect communities. Built for speed, stability, and reliability. Every patrol motorcycle is engineered for demanding police operations.
Balanced chassis geometry delivers confident handling. Advanced suspension keeps the motorcycle stable in every turn.
High-performance ABS provides controlled emergency stopping. Safety remains a priority in every situation.
Integrated emergency systems improve visibility and communication. Every component is built for dependable service.
From raw steel to a fully equipped patrol motorcycle, every manufacturing stage contributes to exceptional quality. Behind every motorcycle is a dedicated team of skilled professionals. Human expertise and advanced automation work together.
Every completed motorcycle is ready for professional service. Factory precision ensures dependable performance.
Designed for reliability, safety, and everyday patrol duties. Every journey begins with precision manufacturing. From premium raw materials to a mission-ready patrol motorcycle, every step reflects engineering excellence. Thank you for joining this complete factory journey.